Alright, so time for some cold coffee. I'm already tired working on a motorhome. This is what it's like to really own an RV. Not none of this RV YouTube stuff. This is what it's really like. Okay, so what we need to do now is I need to pull the motorhome out of the barn so I can work on the flat. I've got to take the rear driver's side duals off. I gotta take the lug nuts off, take the wheel off, and then I'm gonna go from there. So let me figure that out, and I'll get this thing out here where I can start working on it. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out of the barn, but I'm gonna pull it down here and get it over a little bit, so I have some room over here on this side right here to work on it. So maybe in here somewhere, I don't know, we'll figure it out. By hand on the spikes. Did you get a long ways away?
Hey, you go pull that thing out of there, ain't you?
There you go. Got that off of there.
Oh yeah, have you got it jacked up?
With those lug nuts, since these lug nuts are probably in the neighborhood of, they're probably close to 425, 450 foot-pounds. So what I'm going to use to get them off with, I'm going to use a torque multiplier wrench. Alright, so here's this torque wrench that I bought from Amazon. It's an American-made torque wrench.
Oh, you're getting bigger.
And it's
Yeah.
Precision Instruments, made in the USA. Right? Alright. Now check this thing out. That's a hell of a torque wrench, ain't it? I tell you that. Is my camera rolling?
Well, I'll change yours somebody pay me.
Huh?
I'll change yours somebody if they pay me.
I don't know.
Don't mess up your thread now.
Oh, easy. That's exactly how them boys put it on there.
Now you hold up and see if you can pull it out now. That's the way I done it. Put your hands in there and pull, pick up and pull out.
Where the hell am I going to put my hands at? Right there?
And no, I just put it on the rim.
Yeah, I can't. That's too heavy. I ain't that damn strong.
You might have to jack it up one more time. That'd be the best. One more jack on it.
Well, let's see what I can do with this.
Well, you'll be able to get that away now. No, you ain't. You're on the thread. There you go. Now pick it up with your hand. Get that off on, pick it up. Hammer fight on. Yeah, we'll do it right there.
forget what it is that pushes it in each time I do that.
Let me do this and you pull on it. Let me do this right. Let me do this right.
I got it. Yeah, pick it up down there. There you go. Come on.
There you go. You got it. You got it.
There's one. Yeah, make sure.
Oh, you ain't got to lay that up against that. Give me. Give me. There you go. There you go.
And if I didn't, that's all it took right there. Hey, doggy. I'm gonna put the shredder valve back in it. All right, go up there with it. Hit it. Do it, do it. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and do it again. All right, look out.
It ain't gonna really do what I thought it would do. I better not do that, had I?
No.
It's just gonna burn tires on what's gonna do it.
That's right. You cut this off. All right, get the other side. Look out. Look out.
Oh, let me get there on it.
Oh, good God, you better hurry up. That's enough.
Go, do it. There it goes. Come on, that should do it, boy.
Okay, got that going there.
Oh, what's that thing? I don't believe it's gonna do it. Look at the air inside there. God, it's gotta do it. It's just gonna burn that tire. It's just for all it's doing is burn the tire. There it went. Here, it just did it.
Yeah, you got it.
It did it. Yeah! Woo!
Boy, you had that bucket a little
Yeah! It sure did.
bit. It's got it.
Woo!
Well, let it go.
I didn't want to burn my tire. I got.
Thank you, you got to know.
That worked. It was that simple.
If you had to kick it, it wouldn't have.
That's the first time I ever did that. I didn't think it would work.
Hey, but you got to remember.
Till that air stops. Yes, sir! I got my tire back on there.
Hey, what about,
Woo!
that thing stop?
Huh?
That gauge don't work, do it?
Nah, yeah, it does. It's almost done. Look at that boy drinking the water here. He's taking a shower with the faucet. Look at him. That boy hungry. I mean thirsty. Look, here, get some more water. There you go. Look at that boy drinking that water. You want some more water? Here. Get some water, boy. Hunter, get some water. There you go. Here, get some water. Yeah, good, Daddy. I drink the water off the ground. Look at here. You got some water, boy. Yeah. I can't believe this worked. That was awesome. At first, I didn't think it was going to work. It actually didn't seal the back bead until I kicked the tire. When I kicked it, it sealed it up. I saw blue flame flying around there with air going in there. I'm like, no, I kicked it, and it worked. That makes me so happy. Yay! All right, I took the spare off of the rear that I was showing you guys a while ago, and I'm putting it on. I'm putting it on the inside dual because it's got a white rim, so we don't want to see the white rim. We got black rims. And cheesy, I tell you that. I think that's it. It's home. Okay. All right. Let's get this one on here now. Hopefully it'll go as good as the other one did. I don't know. These tires are so heavy, you're not going to pick them up, that's for sure. Don't think for a second you're gonna pick them up, because you will not pick them up. They're so heavy. They are some heavy suckers. All right, let's see. There's that one. I need to rotate it some. Let's see if I can get it rotated around here. Okay, let's get it rotated a little more. Maybe right there. Let's see if that'll get it. I think that'll get it right there. Get the crowbar. That's the only way you're gonna pick it up with a crowbar. There we go. Just like that. And I believe when I get it on there, I'll be able to get to my inside valve stem. That's important. And it's almost like I want to turn this valve stem over there. You know I do. Let's do that. Let's go around a little more. I want them just about opposite. Call me stupid or dumb. I think it helps with balancing, because you got a little bit of weight here and kind of balance it out, I hope. I don't know if that really does any good, but that's what I'm going to do. A little more, a little more, a little more. Right there, I think I'll get it. Let's try that. There we go, we're on. And I believe I got a straight shot. There you go. So I got this valve stem up here, like that, and I got that valve stem right there. So I can get to it. I mean, this thing's on the edge, but that's as good as you can get it. So let's go ahead and, all right, let's go ahead and put these lug nuts on and get this tire on here. Tires. Slam up. I gotta buff it. All right, let me get out of here. Lord have mercy. I'm tired. All right, y'all. This has been one hell of a job. Look here. We're about, let's see, can y'all see this? Hang on. Where's it at? So I was about 410 maybe. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you guys have stuck with me this long, I really appreciate it. Please hit that like button. Please hit subscribe. If you guys want to know what it's really like to own an RV and not be paid by YouTube and not be paid by promotions and not be paid by these sponsors and everything, come to my channel. I will show you what it's really like to own one of these big ass motorhomes right here. And you will get firsthand from an owner who's been owning RVs for, let's see, almost 25 years. Well, I'm stretching. I've been married 21, so a little over 20 years, but I grew up with RVs, so you might as well say I've had them for 25 years. My daddy, that y'all saw in the video there, we grew up with trailers and motorhomes, Winnebagos, everything. But anyway, if you guys want to know the real true story of it and the real life of what it's like to own an RV and take care of one, especially one that's got a little bit of age on it, and the maintenance and what you got to do to keep these things rolling, just come back to my channel. Guys, I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Thank you so much if you hung it out this long, and I will catch you on the next one. See y'all later. Peace out.